Assalamu alaikum dear students. Last time we talked about types of nouns and today we are going to going through part F. We are going to I'm going to make you know about this part F. This is read the following words aloud and add two more words in each column to complete the table. So you have to read these words aloud. For example, like this: cake, plate, tape, wave, game. He, she, these, be, me. Ice, nice, dice, kind, white. Vote, rope, cone, hole, phone. Amuse, cute, music, unicorn, uniform. So we have to add two more words like you have here: cake, plate, tape, wave, game. Then I have added another word that's tame, and then that's another is wake. Okay, so what is this? This is actually a sound. Cake, a cake, a sound. Like this. Another plate, play, a. Then you have tape, a. Wave, a sound. Okay, then you have game, game, a sound. Tame, a sound, a. Wake, a sound. Okay, so here is he, e sound. She, e sound. Okay, these are the words that have e sound. These, be, me, see, and we. Then you have another that's I sound. Okay, ice, nice, dice, kind, white, right, kite. You have another then o sound: vote, rope, cone, hole, phone, roam, dome. Okay, amuse, u sound: cute, music, unicorn, uniform. You have then confuse, and then you have argued, u sound. First column is a sound, second column is e sound, third column is I sound, fourth column is O sound, and fifth column is U sound. Now we have another part, that's G part, extend. Complete the paragraph using the phrases from the box. Okay, we go to the children's park every Sunday. I go there with my parents and grandparents for a picnic. The park is very beautiful. There are dash in it. There are pretty flowers in it. Many birds have their nests on the trees. I like to watch the birds. There are dash around the green lawns. There are many trees in it. We have here many trees. Okay, there are many trees in it. Many birds have their nests on the trees. I like to watch the birds. There are pretty flowers around the green lawns in park. There is also a sand pit in the park. There is also a sand pit in the park for us to play. I like to play in the sand. My brother and I enjoy making sand castles. There is also a big pond near the center of the park. There are geese and ducks swimming in the pond. Okay, so this is it. I'll repeat again. We go to the children's park every Sunday. I go there with my parents and grandparents for a picnic. The park is very beautiful. There are many trees. Many birds have their nests on the trees. I like to watch the birds. There are pretty flowers around the green lawns in the park. There is also a sand pit in the park for us to play. I like to play in the sand. My brother and I enjoy making sand castles. there is also a big pond near the center of the park. There are dash swimming in the pond. So there are geese and ducks swimming in the pond. Then we have another here, relate. That's below are two activities. Choose an activity and complete it. So two activities are my everyday things or my packing list. You have to do either of the one. You have to do either one. This my everyday things or my packing list. Or I'll explain both. Okay. The poem was about the need for everyday things. The poem was about this everyday things that we use, whether it's brush, toothpaste, soap, water, magazines, books, newspapers, tea, cups, plates, and all. Okay, we all need them, isn't it? So choose any 10 things for you use every day. So you have to choose 10 things that you use every day. Make my everyday things chart with their names, what they are made of, and their pictures and drawings. So this is your activity. Do it. Okay. You have to choose any 10 things for you use every day. You have to write first their my everyday things chart with their names. You have to write their names, what they are made of, of which material they are made of, and their pictures and drawings. Okay. Or you have another activity, that's my packing list. What you have to do, we need many things when we travel, isn't it? When you travel from one place to another place, or when you travel from home to some other place, you need some things. Imagine that you are going on a holiday for 10 days. Okay, you just imagine in your mind that you are going for a holidays for 10 days. Make a list of all the things you would pack and why you need each of the items. You have to make a list of all the things that you will need for these 10 days, and you have to also explain that why you need these things. Make it interesting by drawing your suitcase with all the things packed inside. So you have to make it interesting by drawing a suitcase, by drawing a luggage, and then you have to put all those things, you have to draw all those things that you need. Okay, and you have to also explain that why you will need these things when you travel for those 10 days. Okay, this is now check your partner's work based on these categories. So this is leave it. Okay, we have finished this Rikki Tikki Tavi. We have finished reading of this lesson, and now what we have to do is to make this. We will tomorrow or day after tomorrow, whenever you have this. In next class we will go with this part A4, that's of chapter 2, because we have already read chapter number 2 and now we have to deal with its exercises and all. So till then, stay at home, stay safe, take care of yourself.